Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents the biggest online public speaking championship. My name is Amit Kumar and this is my official entry for round 1. So today I would like to talk about mentorship leads to massive success. Yes, without mentor we will not be able to get a massive success in our lives, but and rather than I would say that if mentor is not there in our lives, we will not be able to achieve that massive success that we can achieve in the wake of a mentor. Because a mentor gives us a roadmap, a mentor gives us a lot of the strategy to win in our life. Winning in our lives gets actually so much simple when a mentor is there in our lives. So that's why mentor is so very important in our lives. As you also know, बिना गुरु के ज्ञान नहीं मिल सकता है, just like that. And one more thing important is that whenever you make any kind of mistakes, so what will mentor correct is that first of all he will tell you that these things are not meant for doing if you want to get succeed in your life. So that is why it is so very important that please have a mentor in your life. Read their books, listen to them, because listening to them only will get you a lot of the things that you can't even think about, even in your imagination. So mentor is mentor, and we should always be ready to learn from a mentor, and he will help us in our career also a lot, in our communication also a lot. That thing which we just have to give us is our time to that person, just like Rahul Bhatnagar sir. If I talk about him, as you know how big mentor he is in our lives, I think he would be one of the biggest mentors in our lives and in this country. And as far as Rahul Bhatnagar sir is concerned, he has actually given us a second life to us, because now he has given us the hopes to live our life or to change our lives humongously, amazingly, perfectly. The thing which is only considered, or the thing which is being demanded by Rahul Bhatnagar sir is that only time. If we give time to Rahul Bhatnagar sir, he will be able to give us a lot of the things, as we can see, or as we are able to learn a lot of the things from his sessions, from his programs, and from his videos via YouTube. So that is a great kind of learning. So he gives us insight which nobody gives. This is the most important things of a mentor. So having mentor is always really very nice. If you have mentor, it means that you will be at least be able to complete, or you will at least be able to get succeed in your life 2 or 3 years back. Thank you so much everybody.